sheet, digging for good tonight on this one-way street. Only a man in a funny red sheet, looking for special things inside of me,
Bukalit dito sa
inside of
10,000 roses mga kapobre.
inside
Na mga kapobre.
inside of me. I think you're us as Superman, or fight for fighting once again. If you have some song request, pwede dyan kita ma-request sa mga kaya lang.
Sa kami doon sa loob. Kasama ko yung anak na kasama ko. Ito si Carlo.
It's ridiculous, it's been months. For some reason I just won't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough.
Dito ako sa taas.
Walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with fish. You were still here. Said I'm
Magaling mga
so
kapobre.
sick
Pumunta kayo
of
dito
love
para makita
songs,
ninyo.
so sad and slow. So quiet
Oo,
now,
nakarating
turn
na.
off the radio. There's the cabin that I have, this March, July 15th. Because since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memory. That's the reason I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with
Dito kasi ako sa
wishing
taas mga kapobre.
you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love
Yun ang mga bulaklak sa
songs, so
baba.
sad and slow. So if I cannot turn off the radio.
Doon yung entrance. Oh.
Cause I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with
Tapos mayroon
wishing
pang mga table dito
she
sa
was
taas.
still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So if I cannot turn off the radio. Thank you so much. That's so sick by Mayor. And by the way, my next song is my last song. It's gonna be my last song for
Okay,
my
mga
second
kapobre.
set, but I'll be back in a few minutes.
Hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang sa muli. Thank you for watching. Kung gusto nyo
Once again, I hope you guys are having a great
manood
time
dito
here
na
at
personal,
10,000
pumunta kayo
Roses.
dito sa Lapu-Lapu.